What's up, YouTube? So we are on the road meeting up with my buddy Josh Hubble. He has a super dope 2018 10R80 Mustang. Sorry, I was messing with my GPS. But we're gonna go link up with him, check out his Mustang, hopefully get some cool videos. I got the Ronin and stuff in the back. This should be definitely fun, guys. Go check him out. I'm gonna put his Instagram stuff all right here. But I'm driving, and it's in Virginia, so if you guys know that. But I'm gonna go, and I'll let you guys know when I'm getting closer. Alright guys, so we're at Sheetz. I feel like I'm just always going to Sheetz in my videos nowadays. But we're waiting for him. I guess he's gonna let me follow him somewhere, I don't know. But I'm probably gonna go get some food, like usual. Every time you go to Sheetz, you always gotta get something. But I'm gonna wait for him. He'll probably be here in like 15 minutes. So I'll let you know when he gets here. Once more. So after the super long drive, we got Josh here and his beautiful Mustang. We were waiting for one of his buddies. I don't know his Instagram name. But we're gonna go have some fun. Hopefully get some cool video of this Mustang. I want to get a whole bunch of stuff for the channel. Go check him out, guys. Smoked Magnetic GT on Instagram. Go give him a follow. He used to have a S5 or a 20. What was it? 2015. And now he's got the brand new one. So we're gonna see how they do against the 2015s and then probably my car. But we're gonna get some stills, rollers, and all that good stuff. Let's go. But I ended up realizing I really didn't vlog that much because I was like 2 hours away. I was trying to get this stuff done really fast. We ended up finding a really cool place to film. It was like in the middle of nowhere in Culpeper, Virginia. I think that's what it's called. We ended up getting kicked out, so I was probably there for probably 20 minutes and then we got kicked out. But this is what I got. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little video, and yeah. It's crazy that's stuck.
Yeah, I mean, it's not horrible.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so quick shout out to Rich. He came out and had some fun with us. His Instagram is @milkstang, guys. Go check him out. His Mustang's pretty sick. He's on coilovers and it's milky. whiskey. But also check out Josh. It's still Smoke Magnetic, right?
That's right.
So check out his 2018 Mustang GT. I'm pretty sure you got a lot of plans for this car.
Oh yeah.
But comment, rate, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.